Hi, you're watching our series on challenges in everyday communication. Today, we're talking about therapy. For people with aphasia, therapy is an essential part of recovery. But communicating during therapy sessions can be difficult. Let's learn how to make it easier. I'm Alex, Lingraphica's consumer education specialist and a speech-language pathologist. First, let's talk about what aphasia is. Aphasia is a language disorder that can impact your ability to speak, understand, read, or write. Aphasia impacts language, not intelligence, and it often happens after a stroke or a brain injury. People with aphasia participate in speech therapy services to help improve their speech and language. Common challenges. There are a few common challenges that people with aphasia might face during therapy, such as understanding therapy goals, following instructions, expressing pain or discomfort, or even participating in conversations. Understanding therapy goals. Speech therapy involves setting meaningful and realistic goals to work towards, like improving your speech or language. But understanding these goals can be tricky if the language is complex or if you have trouble processing information quickly. Following instructions. Therapists might give you instructions during a session, such as point to this item or repeat this word. If the instructions are long or maybe even given too quickly, it can be hard to keep up or even remember what to do. Expressing pain or discomfort. It's important to tell your therapist if something hurts or feels uncomfortable, but finding the right words to describe your pain or discomfort can be challenging with aphasia. Participating in conversations. Speech therapy involves talking about your progress or even your challenges. Participating in these conversations might be difficult, especially if you struggle to find the right words or to keep up with the pace of the conversation. Strategies. Here are some strategies to help you communicate better during therapy sessions. Use visual aids or gestures. If you have trouble understanding what your therapist is asking, ask them to use pictures or even gestures to explain. For example, they can show you what they want you to do instead of just telling you. Ask for repetition or simplification. Don't hesitate to ask your therapist to repeat instructions or to explain them in simpler terms. It's okay to ask them to go slowly so you have adequate time to understand and respond. Use AAC. You can use a communication board with keywords or phrases related to your therapy, like pain, yes, no, tired, or repeat. If you use a high-tech device, like Lingraphica's speech-generating devices, you can even create a therapy folder with the same types of words and phrases. This can help you express yourself more easily during sessions. Practice keywords at home. Practice saying or recognizing key therapy-related words at home, like exercise, repeat, or rest. This can make it easier to follow along during your therapy sessions. Bring a caregiver or support person. If possible, consider bringing someone with you to your therapy sessions who can help you communicate. They can help explain things or even ask questions on your behalf. Lingraphica's resources. Lingraphica offers several resources to support your communication during therapy. Communication boards. Our communication boards can be used to help express your needs and understand instructions more easily. For example, using our pain scale to tell your therapist how you're feeling. Communication devices. Lingraphica's speech-generating devices can be tailored to your exact therapy needs. allowing you to create a specific therapy folder with cards, images, and words that will allow you to communicate more effectively during your sessions. Smalltalk apps. The Smalltalk family of apps offer daily communication and video speech exercises that are designed for people with aphasia. Use our picture-based vocabulary of words and phrases to help improve your communication during therapy. TalkPath Therapy. TalkPath Therapy is an online therapy solution to provide stroke survivors with a means for continual learning and improvement with speech, language, and cognitive skills. Living life with aphasia can be challenging, but remember, you are not alone. Lingraphica is here to help. Our devices, apps, and community support can make communication easier. Visit our website to learn more and join our community. Thanks for watching.